speech disorders. In Hong Kong, 10% of children are affected by these language impairments, and 20% of them need speech therapy. As their most critical age of learning, speech disorder affects how they communicate and also how they see themselves, and that's why speech-language pathologists use multiple targeted methods to help them. However, the most obvious obstacle is the cost. Due to the shortage of speech therapists, private therapy sections are expensive for most families, resulting in long gaps between sections. So what can we use to fill those gaps? Speech therapy apps. But there are some major problems with existing apps. For instance, some apps shows a picture of a word and its pronunciation, but they provide zero guidance. They don't track progress, they don't even allow children for practice. How is a child supposed to learn if they don't even get to try? Another example is, some apps identify an error, but don't provide any useful feedback. For example, this app does not give any suggestion to improve the pronunciation. Pressing something wrong without correction could reinforce the error. Lastly, some apps include games to attract children, but they cannot help much with practicing. They act as random distraction and are built for screen time but not for progress. We want to help. After months of research and development, we proudly present LexiJoy. From lexicon for words and joy for the goal we aim to build. We have three main features. First, personalization. Our app is not a one-size-fits-all list. Users can upload their previous reports from speech therapists or conduct a quick assessment. The platform will then analyze the results to quickly generate a personalized practice recommendation. Throughout the journey, stage practices targeting different pronunciation skills are being prioritized continuously based on users' past errors. It finds a starting point and charts a custom course, ensuring every minute of practice is targeted and efficient. Second, the AI coach. Combining Youdao voice evaluation AI and a clean user interface, immediate and accurate feedback can thus be achieved. After users pronounce a word or a syllable, the Youdao voice evaluation AI quickly analyzes the audio and gives a score and feedbacks. As shown in the clear user interface, you can see an advice of try placing your tongue a bit closer to your teeth. We give actionable feedback, not just a score. We show how to improve. Third, motivation with a goal. With gamification elements, children can be encouraged to practice but not overstimulated. With themers that are unlocked by mastering target sounds and skills, progress tracking hub, and achievement pages, children can be rewarded with their own progress. The game in our platform is a journey, not a distraction from the work. LexiJoy is a functional prototype tested by children and have been receiving positive feedbacks. This is our vision for making effective, engaging speech therapy accessible out of the clinic. Because existing tools aren't enough, because technology must solve real human problems, and because every child deserves to be heard clearly and confidently, LexiJoy is here to help.